Yes, as you have seen, this is the new Asus Vivobook gaming laptop which is released in Flipkart. It is available for the past 6 months, I guess, and it's powered by Intel processor i5 8th generation. I have bought this laptop before 2 days. I ordered it in Flipkart before 2 days and it will get delivered tomorrow. I will do a detailed unboxing video and also a detailed review about the performance of this laptop in the forthcoming days. So please wait till I do the future videos. This is just an intro video about this laptop and its basic specifications. It is powered by an i5 8th gen processor and it has an 8 GB of RAM. Note, we can see this. It is delivered 4+4. I mean, it's not an 8 GB single RAM. It's powered by two 4 GB RAMs, which combines to form an 8 GB RAM. And also it has a 4 GB of graphics card, which is NVIDIA GTX 1650. It's quite good for middle like okay gaming. I mean, you cannot play it in a high graphics. You can play it using the middle graphics, I mean medium graphics. This is kind of a laptop which is worth its price, as I have checked the remaining models which is present in the same price range. No laptop with a graphic card worth 4 GB is in this price range. And we can go over the other specs too. It has a Windows 10 OS and it has a 250 nits brightness. And I am not going to go into the interior specifications as it will be boring. I will do a detailed review tomorrow, most probably when my laptop arrives. I will do an unboxing video tomorrow. Stay tuned for updates. Please subscribe this channel to get the timely updates, and like the video and share this video with your friends to enhance their knowledge. Thank you guys. Meet you soon in the next video. Bye guys. Until then, signing off from you is Pradyum from Techno Channel.